Hi, this is Dr. Patrick Dougherty coming to you from my office in Spokane, Washington. I'm here with Jill Camponio. We're going to demonstrate some old-fashioned traditional chiropractic adjustments. I want her to start out laying down on her belly here. And I'm going to step out of the camera to evaluate her leg lengths. And the leg lengths are even, which makes me want to test her muscle. Pull into your side and pull, and pull, and pull, and pull. So I'm going to have Jill turn on her side and face over to this side. Put a pillow here for her. Turn my back to you. And slide your hip over towards me, please. The lower hip. There you go. There. We adjusted her coccyx, her tailbone, and we're going to have her lay on her back like this and pull back with her arm. Pull, pull, pull. I'm doing muscle testing to tell me where she's out and not moving as she should. And there's two spots here we want to adjust. I'm going to put her elbows in my belly. Take her up and just drop her down and drop her down again. And lots of crunching in there. Now we get to have her go on her belly. I'm going to step out of sight again. And pull, pull. One little push here. And then I'm going to have her turn on her back one last time. Look at her legs again. Since they're even, I'm going to have her push up. And have her push up to this one. She's strong, so we're going to have her bend this leg and pull, and have her bend this leg and pull. Pull this one again. Oh, they're all strong. So we're going to look at her occiput. Push back, and push back. And go from this side, from this side. Okay, I'm going to do one more adjustment on her. More noise. Make sure her legs stayed even. The legs are even. Sit up, face the camera, Jill. And we'll just do a quick check here, make sure she's got good range of motion. And that's it. Old-fashioned chiropractic adjustment. This is Dr. Patrick Dougherty, 2110 North Washington, Spokane, Washington. Phone number is 509-327-4373. You can also go to my website, www.spokane-chiropractic.com. Lots of great information on there, free information. So go there, you can sign up for my weekly Wellness Minute newsletter also at that site. Thank you very much.